The two main drivers for doing routine maintenance on the tunnels are public safety and getting best value for money out of the asset. The work is important to maintain the operation of equipment within the tunnel and then hence the safe operation of the tunnel itself for the general public. We schedule four routine maintenance of the tunnel each year. Routine maintenance of emergency equipment, fire systems, also cross-tunnel passageways, operation of doors, operation of emergency phones. We're also doing maintenance of the jet fans, which clear smog and smoke from the tunnel where required, and washing the walls. Ensure the walls are clean and we get light reflecting off the walls to ensure light levels within the tunnel for safe driving and maintain. Without this work, the tunnels would fail to operate in a safe manner. There would be risk on a general day-to-day basis, and certainly in response to major incidents that may occur within the tunnel, the safety of people involved in those incidents would be badly affected if we didn't do these works.